Hello my dear foodies, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. On my today's episode, let's see how to prepare super yummy and super delicious gajar halwa or gajar ka halwa with only 7 ingredients. So all the ingredients details are below there in the description box. Please have a look. And let me remind you once again that if you are new here on my channel and have not yet subscribed me, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates regarding my recipes. And if you like the recipe, then please like this video, share the video with your family and friends, and comment on the below comment section. So for making gajar ka halwa, at first I have taken 1 karhai, and here I have taken around 500 grams grated carrots. So I have grated this carrot very well with the help of a slicer or grater, and now need to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. While cook these grated carrots, you need to continuously stir this very well, or else it can be stick to the bottom. After 5 minutes, now we will be adding around 4 tablespoons of desi ghee into it. After adding the desi ghee, we need to mix this very well with the grated carrots. Saute this for around 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame to remove the rawness of the carrots. After 4 minutes, we can see that the rawness of the gajar or carrots has been removed. So now at this point of time, we will be adding some sugar as per taste into it. So I particularly don't like too much sweetness in gajar ka halwa, so I have added here around 1 cup sugar into it. So if you want more sugar, more sweetness in your gajar ka halwa, then you can add more sugar as per your taste into it. So after adding the sugar, need to give it a very good mix. After few minutes, we can see that the sugar has been dissolved very well. So now at this point of time, we will be adding another 1 ingredient into it, that is elaichi powder or cardamom powder. So I have used here around 1 teaspoon elaichi powder or cardamom powder, and after adding the elaichi powder, need to give it a very quick mix. After another 3 minutes, we will be adding around half cup milk into it. I have added here full cream milk. So this is to remove the stickiness, as we have added sugar into gajar ka halwa. So sugar has a stickiness. So to remove the stickiness of the sugar, need to add this milk. And after adding the milk, we'll give it a quick mix again. After another 3 minutes, we can see that the carrots are almost cooked. Now at this point of time, we will be adding another 1 ingredient, that is mawa or khoya. So you can get khoya or mawa from markets very well, but I have used here homemade mawa or homemade khoya. So I will be adding here around 4 tablespoon mawa or khoya. And after adding the mawa, we need to give it a very good mix. This mawa or khoya is just to increase the taste of the gajar ka halwa, but if you want less richness in your gajar ka halwa, then you can skip this mawa or khoya. But definitely if you will be adding this ingredient, then the taste will be really very good, just like markets. Now we will be adding some dry fruits into our gajar ka halwa. So I have added here some cashew nuts and some almonds, and after adding the dry fruits we'll give it a quick mix again. Now we will be adding the last ingredient of our gajar ka halwa, that is rose water. So I have added here around 1 tablespoon rose water, and after adding the rose water we'll give it a quick mix again. And now at this point of time our gajar ka halwa looks perfect, I mean the texture looks perfect. So now at this point of time we can put off the gas and serve our gajar ka halwa hot. So for serving the gajar ka halwa, I have taken here one serving plate. We'll serve the gajar ka halwa into this serving plate only. So guys, I hope you liked my gajar ka halwa recipe. If you liked it, then please do like this video, comment on the video and share the video with your family and friends. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get regular updates regarding my recipes. So after adding the gajar ka halwa on the serving plate, we'll sprinkle some more dry fruits on the top so that it will look more good, and then finally we can serve the gajar ka halwa hot as a dessert. So we'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care.